Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the time travel trick works. First, make sure you have Burrito Bison updated and premium or mod access. This opens needed menus. Once done, level to around 10 and amass at least 1,000 coins to buy critical upgrades that affect flight duration and bounce. Also configure your device or emulator clock controls so you can safely manipulate time without corrupting saved data. This is why we start here. Stability matters before execution. Now you perform the main sequence that creates the time travel effect. Buy flight and bounce upgrades to increase hang time and interactions. These let the trick register. Start a run and watch for the peak bounce where momentum and collisions align, then pause quickly. Next, change the emulator or device clock forward by about 1 hour and resume the run. The game recalculates timers and spawn states, which produces the shifted outcome you want when the physics resets. Finish by completing the run so the game writes the new state and any altered rewards persist. If things go wrong, stop immediately. Revert the clock to the original time, reload your save, and try the sequence with smaller adjustments. This prevents save corruption. Make sure to use incremental changes instead of large jumps and check save backups or cloud sync after each successful attempt. One troubleshooting tip: if stuttering occurs, reduce visual mods and retry to stabilize timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.